it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica guys, here with another reaction. Oof. Today, guys, we are with Bazza T. Yeah, man, Bazza T with Pon Me. So the one is a weird one, because the one has been in my comment section for a good while now. You see me? Yeah, they must say, yo, react to Bazza T, Bazza T. More than one people have said to it. So I say, yo, Bazza T. All right, I'm going to check out and see what I go on with Bazza T. Another one, man. Let's jump in the one and see what I go on. Let's good, man. Yeah, man. So this one is an audio. It's an official audio. Yeah, Bazza T. Pon Me. I'll link to that one I got there in the description. So you can go over and try and go tell him what you think about the song. Same way. All right, so let's go.
You know remember when me say from me get go. She said, Bazza, don't prescribe, not know you can't take. And next man, no see me girl dresses. Don't me see why some man girl are stress. Never did know I so bonded at. My fuck on her, she fuck on my back.
Hold on. You see, woman bun hotter than man bun. You see when a woman get a man bun, are the hottest thing that. Hottest beer, not even two tear cuts, so. Look at Bazza T stressed out. Look like them stress him out. Yeah. Jazzless. Bazza T, ready?
Never did know I so bonded at. My fuck on her, she fuck on my back.
Are you do the first fuck pan? So all a fuck pan, right through.
The blood clot girl go do that. Never did know I so bonded feel. The blood clot girl heart make out of steel. The wickedest pain this me ever feel.
Yo, let me tell you this. You see when time a man a girl man bun, she will take it. But you see once she give you bun, bro, she done with you. Even if she's still in a relationship with you or in the same house as you, just know say yo, it's just a matter of time before she take care of herself. Cause woman, we go fuck a man because she knows say yo, she not go back to you like that, bro. Like, yes, should be there physically, but not mentally. She clock out.
At the wickedest pain this me ever feel. She go fuck a man, me a walk past every day. From then me know say girl pick me don't play. That I know.
You hear him just say a while ago? She go fuck a man, yeah, walk past every day. Yeah, walk past, you not drive past, yeah, walk past him every day, you know. So you know, say, fuck, we go and fit through. Yes, 10 to a third way up on the ground. Yeah, walk. So, she go fuck a man with that. We're probably a drive.
A man, me a walk past every day. From then, me know, say, girl, pick me, don't play. That I know nothing. She ready for whatever. She will fuck my father to uncle and brother.
I saw a man stay for true. They will fuck you. They will fuck your worst enemy. They will punch you where it really hurts.
That I know nothing. She ready for whatever. She will fuck my father to uncle and brother. When me see the belly, me will see yo. She never me for stop one like some blood clot clever.
Blood clot girl fucking all go breed. The girl, that means that she literally done with you, bro. She done with you, my G. She done with you. We man. We go do a little thing. Yes, because we just want to release some hile. Yeah. We just want to bust a head gasket. Yeah. But when that woman go do it, just know say, yo, our emotions tonight, enough too.
She said she love when me fuck up. When she got road, she get the pussy suck. True me fuck her good, make she no pack it up yet.
You hear that? So, he must say, when she got road, she get the oral, she get the tone touch, she get the face in her waist, yes, and obviously the G Ayad now go do that, so you don't know that go already.
When she got road, she get the pussy suck. True me fuck her good, make she no pack it up yet. Girl full of style, full of mystery, don't forget. If she find the right man, the girl a go left.
Me tell you,
never did know I so bonded at.
If she find the right one, she gone.
She fuck on my back. Why the blood clot girl go do that?
Rude.
know what's about
So
the
clean
feel.
hot.
The blood clot girl heart make out of steel. At the wickedest pain this me have a feel. She say your blood clot down so you not learn. One scissors and a girl make something no firm. You know.
She say your blood clot done so you not learn. Your head tough, thick, broken in your ears. What? What? You blind? You know see how one scissors. How one scissors fuck up Samson career. One scissors fuck up Samson career. Woman cutting here losing strength. And that's it you tell you right now.
The blood clot down so you not learn. One scissors and a girl make something no firm. You know see where Eve the one look how the world turn. At the tip of the iceberg that she confirm. If
Yo, you know see where Eve do on the world turn. Yo.
I never feel the whistling bird, me no know nothing. No changes, dog, the girl no show nothing. Smooth operator, you want know something. Me just hope you no left for your door. But remember where them say about two man's gone. Me no want you to disappear like you never born. You know my be lucky all where you gone. When a woman upset, any fuck can go on. Never
Tell your dog, when a woman fed up, she's fed up. When she's done, she's done. When she's over you, she's over you. She will still wash for you. She will still cook your dinner. And she will still lie down beside you. But emotionally, she's done with you, bro. She's done with it. Just a matter of time. Sometimes I just convenience make she even in the same house as you. Yeah, she done with you, man.
You know my be lucky all where you gone. When a woman upset, any fuck can go on. Never did know what's about did act. Oh fuck on her, she fuck on my back. Why the blood clot girl go do that? Never did know what's about did feel. The blood clot girl heart make out of steel. At the wickedest pain this
Yo, this
me
bad.
never feel. Never did know what
This bad. Yo, this deserve a video.
Never did know what Never did know what's about did act. Oh fuck on her, she
Fuck on my back. Hi.
Why the
Hot.
blood clot girl go do that? Never did know what's about did feel. The blood clot girl heart make out of steel. At the wickedest pain this me ever feel.
Yo, when a woman done, bro, me tell you saying that when a woman done, she done in a brother. Like literally in a dog. You, no matter how much money you give, no matter how well you treat her, you see once she done, brother. I saw woman stay, bro. Then we put up with it a lot until she can't do it no more. You know, so she just clock out. Yeah, and she gone just fuck her next man. Yes. And start get things and start get feelings where you couldn't give her anymore. You see me? Cause them they are emotional. So just know say woman born after the man born by far. We man can't take born brother, but we love git. Yeah, we love git. So we have to just take the woman them feelings in consideration more time and know say yo, you not worth it. You can't have you can't have your nice crackery dish in your yard and go on a road go fumble with plastic plate. That no make no sense. That no make no sense. What do you think about that one to a Bazza T, 𝐂𝐈_𝐎𝐍? What do you think about that one? Let me know in the comment section, man. That one I got pinned down in the comment section. Also, bro. Go check it out. And tell them say, Jamaica Race Game, I send it over there. So this one has been, like I said, has been in the comment section for a couple times. Well, Bazza T. So yeah, just find one I'm sang them and do it. So yeah, let me know what you think about that one still, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You hear that? Pieces, yeah. We don't chat feces, no.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I send my advice to the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.